Hi, this is Billy from the Burning Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something that you've been asking for. There's the Har Cheong Gai. It's an all-time favorite to everybody actually, yeah, especially my grandchildren. Okay, so the name Har Cheong Gai means shrimp paste chicken. Okay, so this is the main ingredient. Okay, it's called Har Cheong. In English, it's shrimp paste. So it looks like this. Look like cement. It's a little bit of a purplish color. So for this one, the longer you keep, the more salty it will become, and the color will also change to black. Okay, so it should be this color. So don't mistaken with this one. This is a balachan. Okay, to make your balachan chili or sambal chili. So this is hard like this, right? You see, like a cake. It can be a square, can be a round, can be a rectangle. Okay, so don't use this one for the Har Cheong Gai. It's totally different. Let me share with you a secret. Okay, most of the tzuta store, you know what sort of shrimp paste we buy? This is the one, the ENG brand, made in Hong Kong, and it's not easily available at any supermarket. But I bought it from the wet market, so you can actually try to buy from the wet market. Okay, this one. Okay, for those who do not like seafood or have allergy to seafood, you can actually, another secret, okay, to replace it with this fermented yellow bean curd. It tastes almost the same, but without the shrimp. Okay, so you need to put about 4 to 5 pieces of this to replace the Har Cheong. First of all, you have to wash the chicken wing and then drain dry, which I've done. So next, I'm going to marinate the chicken wing with light soy sauce, Chinese wine, a dash of pepper, sesame oil, and the prawn paste. Wow, the Har Cheong Gai is so nice until you see the whole swarm of flies are coming in, you know. Please shut the door and the windows. In another bowl, I beat the egg lightly. And add the egg and the water to the chicken and mix well. The egg mixture is acting as a glue to help the flour mixture to adhere well to the chicken wings. In another bowl, I add in the plain flour, potato flour, rice flour, and baking powder, and mix well. Then add the flour mixture to the chicken wing and mix it well until the chicken wing is evenly coated. Wrap the bowl with a cling wrap and place it into the fridge to marinate for 4 to 6 hours. After marinating, remove from the fridge and allow to stand at room temperature for half an hour. Otherwise, the inside of the chicken is still cold and will not get cooked. So in the wok, I pour in about 1 bowl of oil. If you see bubble forming around the chopstick, you are ready to start frying the chicken wings. Give the chicken wing a stir before frying. Shake off whatever excess flour before you place the chicken wings into the wok. After a few minutes of frying at a high heat, turn the heat down to medium and continue to fry until it turns golden brown. It's best to fry the chicken wing in small batches. And once all the chicken pieces are cooked, allow the cooked chicken to cool down for 2 to 3 minutes. And heat up the oil again until it is very hot. And add the chicken wings into the wok and fry for a second time for about 2 minutes. Here, the Burning Kitchen presents Har Cheong Gai shrimp paste chicken. So I can't wait to start eating. First, I will have to squeeze the lime over it. Okay, come everybody, come and eat. Cheong ah! Nice or not? Nice, right? Everybody say nice. For all those who have requested me to cook this Har Cheong Gai, now I done my homework. It's your turn now to do yours. And don't forget to post a picture onto my Facebook page. Okay, thank you. I hope you like the video. See you the next time. Bye.